Welcome back. The first consignment of pharmaceutical export was flagged off from Goas Mormugao port. This direct export will benefit various pharmaceutical companies and other related sectors to grow in Goa. Pharmaceutical companies will now save on logistical costs.
The first consignment of pharmaceutical exports of Aventis Pharma Limited was flagged off by MPT Chairman P. Mara Pandian, President of Goa Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association Arun Naik, Commissioner of Central Excise and Customs VPC Rao, Director of FDA Salim Velji and others were present. This was one of the long pending demand of Goan pharmaceutical industry.
Development is basically an organic growth. A seed becomes a plant, a seedling, a plant, a tree. It has got a level. But interestingly, my port has been at the very incipient stage. It's been at the very concentrated more on the one commodity. Like when a child is born, the child is grows. How long can be a child? So it's my conviction, NPT should not continue as a child. It should become an adult.
Previously, pharma exports were shipped from the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust in Mumbai. With exports now being routed through Mormugao, manufacturers will save logistical cost of 35,000 rupees per container and also reduce the delay. President of Goa Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association Arun Naik expressed happiness over the success.
Pharma industry, which is exporting around 5,000 crores worth of goods, instead of exporting it from outside Goa, why not export it through Goa, so that it can generate some jobs also. Plus we will get the satisfaction of whatever is being produced in Goa is exported through. That was our whole aim, and towards this whole aim we were relentlessly working towards that, and we got the success.
Our reporter from Verna, Surendra Madkekar.
The Vigilance Department has denied claims being dormant on cases. Bus operator Sudip Tamankar had earlier alleged that certain officials of Vigilance Department are not acting on his complaints. The department says cases need time to be probed as they involve high-profile officials.
A few days back, bus operator Sudip Tamankar alleged that Vigilance Department has not taken cognizance of his complaints. He had alleged that some officials in the department are not acting on his complaints. Now, Vigilance Department has refuted the charges.
What is his grievance against Vigilance Department? Definitely, we could look into the matter. But if from 35 complaints, I don't think it's fair enough to just go up. You lodge a complaint and say that okay, Vigilance is not doing anything. All those who are people who have been accused are holding positions. They are responsible government servants, and they have to be given a fair chance in their investigation.
SP George denied any claims of any pendency of cases, saying such cases need time to investigate. He also said the department has asked for more staff.
I think this short staff thing is, we have, honestly, we have just one investigating officer who's there. We have requested the police department. In fact, CS who's the chief vigilance officer, has requested the police department to deploy a couple of more so that we can take up all this investigation at a faster pace.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
After serving the Goa Urban Cooperative Bank for more than 20 years, Chairman of the bank Vishnu Naik will not contest the Board of Directors election. The election for the Board of Goa Urban Cooperative Bank is scheduled on Sunday. Polling will be held in 5 major cities of the state.
Vishnu Naik will not contest the election for the Board of Directors of Goa Urban Cooperative Bank for this term. The election will be held on Sunday 11th of December. One of the panels, headed by Dr. Govind Kamath, with 5 members, claimed that current chairman of Goa Cooperative Bank, Vishnu Naik, has extended full support to their panel.
Has not contested because I think there is age is also criteria where everybody cannot work beyond a certain age. He is still very stable and he will be a guiding force to us in the years to come. He wanted to hand over the charge to a new team, a new generation team. We realized later, otherwise we would have contested 7. So we are at present with 6, and we appeal to the Goans to vote for the 6 people so that there is stability and growth for this bank, the premier bank in the state of Goa.
There is another panel in fray with 3 members. A reporter from Panji Devidas Kamri with video journalist Sushant Par.
Locals of Madkai are worried because of the illegal slag dump on Comunidad land. Despite several complaints to the concerned officials, they have turned a blind eye to the illegality. However, Deputy Collector in Ponda has assured to prepare a report within a week. The Esport Factory based in Madkai has been dumping its slag waste on the Comunidad land. Esport has about 27,000 square meters of land which is left unused. People have expressed their worries as the slag waste washes down to the fields and wells, thus creating problem to the people. Deputy Collector Johnson Fernandez, Mamladar Amol Gaonkar, Pollution Control Board officials inspected the site on Thursday along with police officials. Sarpanch of Madkai Vishwas Kaure demanded that the Comunidad land should be cleared.
Deputy Collector कळयलें की बाबा गोवा इस्पातान जे डंपिंग केलां ते बेकायदेशीर कम्युनिटी जमीन केलां ते ताबडतोब काडचें आनी ते इन्स्पेक्शन करचें आनी ते काडून घेवचें जेणे करून जे ग्रामस्थाची डिफिकल्टी आसा जे ग्रामस्थांनी ग्रामसभेक घराणें घातलेलें ते घराण्याचें उत्तर सविस्तर तांकां इन्स्पेक्शन करून दिवचें आनी त्याच बरोबर जे आमची एक पारंपारीक आमचे पयलींच्यान एक हा जे चालू आसा उदकाचें ते जवळ जवळ स्लॅब जे वचोन ते सगळें बंद जाल्लें आसा आनी जे व्हाळांतलें उदक वचपा आशिल्लें तें उदक आयज डायवर्ट जाल्लें आसा.
Johnson Fernandez, however, did not give much information on the illegal dumping but assured to prepare a report within a week.
किती कंप्लेंट असले लोकांचे तुमकां?
कंप्लेंट असते मनशाकडे सर. आय एम नॉट हियर टू फिल अप दिस.
बट तुमचो रिपोर्ट केन्ना तुम्ही करतले?
नेक्स्ट वीक.
Our reporter in Madkai, Vivek Prabhu. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.